The last figure that we are having to do is volume of a sphere. Please note that volume of a cone and volume of a sphere are 8th grade curriculum and therefore will not be on your EOG. However, you are still expected to know it for the test, and you'll be expected to know it for next year in 8th grade. Volume, once again, to refresh your memory, is dealing with the inside, saying how many little cubes is it going to take to fill it up. Unfortunately, I don't have any fun ways to remember this. So the formula for volume of a sphere is simply 4/3 pi r cubed, or 4 times pi times radius cubed divided by 3. You can go about this one however you want. If you've not already done so on the cone page, you may want to make a note that approximate answer uses 3.14 and exact answer leaves pi as a symbol. So in looking at our sphere for the first one, we know that the expectation at this point is going to be we have to write the formula out. 4 times pi times radius cubed divided by 3. And we've got to know that the radius is equal to 3. We plug in our numbers. Since we're doing approximate answer first, we know that we are able to fill in 3.14. R to the third is going to be 3 times 3 times 3 because I'm asked to cube the 3. And then we divide by 3 and plug that into your calculator, and you get an approximate answer of 113.04 feet cubed. If you are asked to do the exact answer for this problem, we use the formula 4 times pi times radius cubed divided by 3, but we are going to leave pi alone. We do nothing with it. Three to the third, let me remind you, is 3 times 3 times 3. And that gives us an exact answer of 36 pi feet cubed, because we're not going to round pi, therefore it's more exact to say 36 times pi, so that way we don't have to round it. Moving on to the second example, the formula we know we have to write 4 times pi times radius cubed divided by 3, unless you want to do 4/3, which you're more than welcome to do. And the radius is going to be 12 divided by 2, because 12 is the diameter, telling us that our radius is going to be 6. So we're saying for the approximate answer, 4 times 3.14 times our radius of 6, and then we divide by 3, giving us an approximate answer of 904.32 centimeters cubed. For the exact answer, we know we've got to write the formula. If you want to write out all the radii, that's fine. And we know we have to divide by 3. Leave pi alone. Do not change it into 3.14. And when we type all of that into our calculator, leaving the pi out of it, so simply saying 4 times 6 times 6 times 6 divided by 3, we get an exact answer of 288 pi centimeters cubed.